In this video, I am going to show you how to start a YouTube TV free trial without running into credit card issues. While signing up, some users encounter problems like declined payments or incorrect card details, which can delay access to the free trial. To avoid these issues, start by ensuring your credit or debit card is valid and supports international transactions if required. Double-check that all the information entered matches your card details exactly, including the billing address. If your card is declined, try using a different payment method, such as another card or a digital wallet like PayPal, if available. It's also a good idea to contact your bank beforehand to notify them of the transaction and ensure there are no blocks on your account. If you don't want to use your primary card, consider using a prepaid virtual card with sufficient funds for verification purposes. Once your payment method is accepted, complete the sign-up process and confirm your free trial start date. If this video helped you start your YouTube TV free trial without credit card issues, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.